Hi there. So initially, when we took part in this hackathon, we thought about a lot of different ideas which we possibly could implement. But we eventually wanted to implement something which could create a positive impact on a wider community. So we eventually came up with the idea that we would like to create some form of a decentralized self-help group. In fact, to take self-help group to the next level. So we boiled down to the fact that we wanted to create some kind of a DAO, decentralized community for farmers. Farmers, indeed, in developing countries, especially countries like India, face a real issue where it's very hassle for a farmer to apply for loans, ask for help to anyone, and moreover, this loan process takes a lot of time. Loan process sanctioning takes a lot of time. There's heavy documentation involved. So this altogether combining all this, it becomes a very difficult process for farmer to obtain a loan or any kind of help for that matter. So we wanted to help farmers. That's why we came up with this concept of AgroDAO, basically a community for farmers. Now, this is how we envisioned our idea. Now, I would like to give you a small demonstration of what we envisioned and what we implemented actually, right? So going to the demonstration part now, you could see initially the farmer can join the DAO in the community by connecting its wallet. So here we connect the wallet first. Here the MetaMask opens. We can connect our wallet. Right. So you can see we have joined the DAO. Now we can go to the DAO, the home page of the DAO. Yeah. So you can see here the basic idea of our DAO is basically farmers can ask for help. Help can be of two types. They can ask for any general kind of suggestions, where you can see the proposal part, which through which we are implementing this. If it is a general suggestion which they want, they can ask a question in the description and create the proposal based on which the other farmers can respond, right? If they want any financial help, they can also ask for a payment, right? So these two kind of helps, and these two kind of help is what farmers can ask for, and this is all implemented using a proposal. So here you can see we are creating a proposal and asking for a small amount just for the demonstration purpose, right? So the proposal has been created now. uh, yeah. Right. So we can see all the list of proposals that are present before, that is still active, and that is in the pending state. So now coming to the fact that once the proposal is created, the for community members have to vote on the proposal. So basically, when it comes to voting, we have implemented a very unique feature here, where we are associating a voting power with each and every farmer. Now, what this voting power means is based on how active you are in the community, how much are you contributing to the community. We are giving you a voting power. So basically, if a farmer A has a more voting power than farmer B, his voting has a higher weightage when he votes, right? This is also another way of making our community more vibrant and more engaging, right? Because we believe that there are a lot of similar ideas in the market, based on what we have made, but these communities are inactive. But by giving farmers the incentives, by rewarding them for their good works, we want to make this community much more vibrant and engaging, right? So there are different ways in which farmers are getting rewarded. Firstly, if they're voting, continuously, which is giving an idea to us that the farmer is active. If they're taking a loan and repaying it in time, then we're also increasing the reputation of the farmer and rewarding them with tokens. As I told earlier, the voting power is also getting increased, right? This is the rewarding process. So now we can see the voting has been done. There's 100% clear vote. This is for the demonstration purpose. As and when the voting continues, this percentage will change in the chart. You can see. So yeah. So this is the description. This is the actual proposal page, where we have options of executing the proposal, voting for the proposal, and voting against the proposal. Yeah, I think there's a small error in this, but that's not a problem. Yeah. Yeah. So we can see there is the vote is in favor. actually, we have given a timer of 5 minutes for which this voting is open for the demo purpose. In the meantime, I would like to explain how Chainlink has helped immensely in building this application. So if we can see the architecture first, this will give us a good idea. Can you show the architecture, please? Yeah, so our architecture is opening up. Our architecture mainly consists of three layers, but I would like to focus on the second layer, which is the chain link layer, right? So there are various features which we have introduced into our DAO using chain link. The first and foremost of them is data feeds. So basically, through data feeds, we are the bringing in we are converting the ETH values to USD values. Then these USD values are getting converted to the local currency of from where the farmer belongs. So for that purpose, we are also taking the location of the farmer to understand which country the farmer belongs to, so that we can accordingly display the same unit of currency in the DAO page, right? So this is the data feed which we're implementing through Chainlink. Moreover, there is also a function. We have done various automation. One such automation is we execute all proposals, right? This is a time bound automation. That is, every month or so, these functions run and they do the needful, right? So, like for example, the execute all in the execute all proposal. So these are, you can see, these are the functions which we have automated using Chainlink. There is execute all proposal. There is a check payment, which is basically a function which checks for defaulters. So every month this function runs and checks that who are the defaulters who have taken loan and not paid back. Based on this, we are also showing a defaulters list in our DAO page, so that the farmers know that who is asking for loan and who is not paying back. So next time when they vote, they're careful about it, right? So this is the data feed, execute all proposals and defaulters. Apart from this, as we had told, we are rewarding the farmers. As, as a result, we also have top contributors of every month. Basically, we have a leaderboard functionality. So here, as of now, so you can see these are the people who have joined the DAO, and these are the top contributors for the month. This is again a feature which is getting automated through Chainlink, a time-bound automation, where this is where these things get reset every month, and again this reputation is built up and the leaderboard is shown. So I would like to give you a brief glimpse of the functions we have written for this. Can you show the data feed function, please, in the remix ID? Yeah, so this is the data feed function, which is converting the ETH to USD. Then going on, can you show the execute all proposal, please? Yeah, again, this is the part where we have automated this using Chainlink, where the farmer has option to execute the proposal himself once the voting is over, and obviously he has the required majority, or otherwise, after a specific time, we can call the execute proposal ourselves using the automation process. Moreover, there is another process which we showed, which is the defaulters list. Can you show that function, please, which we have automated? Yeah. So this is another function which runs every month in a time-bound manner and checks who are the defaulters. Right. There is one more feature we have added, that defaulters, we are also burning their tokens, because as we had told, tokens is a way of knowing which farmer is being loyal and which farmer is being active in the DAO. So basically, if the farmer is a defaulter, we are burning some tokens. It's also a way of encouraging farmers to pay the loan, repay the loan at time. Right. We have also a top contributors function. If you can show that, please. Uh, yeah. So this is the top contributors. Again, this is automated using Chainlink, which and reset every month. And again, the top contributors are shown in the leaderboard. Can you show the leaderboard once again, please? Yeah. So this is our leaderboard. So this is the basic idea of what we envision and what we created. We believe that this can be an actual game changer as and when this application becomes scalable and being actually used in the market by farmers. We also believe that there is much room for uh, further developments as well. We can possibly implement the models into this, which can tell us based on the location of the farmer, what kind of crop he's growing, what is the weather of the location, and based on that, we can provide some kind of insurance to the farmer. We can also provide stipulated loan amounts to the farmer based on the season, right? There's some future scope work which can be done on this, but we still believe that this is an idea which can be a game changer in this field, and which can be, if used to its full potential, help farmers in the long run in a meaningful manner. Yeah, once the proposal has been executed, we can see it is shown in the farmer's profile page. We can see the pending loan amount and the description of the pending, and we can see that the status is executed. We just wanted to show you the defaulters list once the due date has been passed. So yeah, you can see that the for payment has not been done now. So this farmer has defaulted. This is shown in the defaulters list, and this is completely automated using ChainLink. Now we can pay back the loan. Yeah, because this farmer is paying after the due date, some amount of tokens will be reduced from his balance, and his reputation will also be decreased because he has paid a bit late, right? So this is again a way of encouraging farmers to pay back on time, right? So the loan payment is payback has been processing. Yeah, we can see the loan has been paid successfully, and it shows the pending loan amount to be zero. Right. This is the loan payback feature.